Every business decision today is powered by data. But when that data is inaccurate, the decisions built on it are compromised. Silent data failures such as broken pipelines, integration errors, hidden anomalies, and inconsistent data quality often remain undetected. These issues can lead to significant financial losses, delay reporting by up to 40%, compromise compliance, diminish customer experience, and erode organizational trust. Traditional monitoring tools primarily track system errors, but often overlook data quality issues, leaving critical problems unnoticed until it's too late. It instantly alerts teams via Teams and Outlook, integrates with Jira and ServiceNow for automated resolution, and even provides table health and root cause analysis through a smart chatbot. You can also visualize the complete data health through interactive dashboards, giving teams a clear, real-time view of the entire ecosystem. With Eagle Eye, issue resolution times drop by 60%, downtime is cut by 50%, and reporting accelerates by 30%, saving millions annually in avoided disruptions and cloud cost overruns. Celebal Tech's Eagle Eye, transforming data trust with intelligence.